Hello, tomorrow we are going to do a lesson called Let's Make Apple Pie. And the goal is that you will be able to sort baking instructions in sequential order. So your job will be to tell me how to bake an apple pie step by step. We're going to go over the steps. There are 3 steps. So step number 1 is prepare the filling. Step number 2 is fill the crust. And step number 3 will be to bake the pie. So how do we prepare the filling? We're going to go through the directions. 1. Take out the can of apple pie, filling, the bowl, and the can opener. Then open the can of filling, of course using the can opener. And finally, pour the filling into the bowl. Okay, so we're going to find out what step would come next. So we already prepared the filling. And now, which step would come next? Would we bake the pie next? Would we fill the crust next? Or would we eat the pie next? Let's see. Oh, fill the crust. Let's see if we are correct. Yes. Next, we fill the pie. Let's continue. Okay, we are ready to fill the crust. So the first step is to have 2 pie crusts, 2 ready-made pie crusts, and we're going to take out the box and defrost them. Then we're going to put one of the pie crusts into the tin. We're going to roll it out and place it in there, and we're going to pour the filling into that crust, and then we're going to roll out the other pie crust and create a top for the pie. What step will come next? We've already prepared the filling and we have filled the pie crust. So what step would we do next? Would we A, bake the pie, B, make the filling, or C, eat the pie? Which one do you think? A, bake the pie? Okay, let's see. Great job! We now need to bake the pie. So let's see, how do we do that? These are the directions. We're going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we put the pie in the oven, we close the door, and we're going to bake the pie for 50 minutes. Finally, we're going to take out the pie and let it cool. Okay, so we've prepared the filling, we have filled the crust, and we've baked the pie. What do you think comes next? Next, it's time to eat. Yay! We're all going to get to have a piece of pie afterwards. We're going to make our pie and eat it too. So for tomorrow, we're going to fill out this worksheet. At the top, see it's step 1, step 2, and step 3. So there were 3 steps that we had. So over here it says draw a picture. So on the top boxes, you're going to draw a picture. And on the bottom, it says write the step. At the bottom, you're going to write which step to do. Okay, and for extra credit, there's space right over here. If you'd like, you can make a fourth step. Okay, have a great night, and I will see you tomorrow.